Everyone, my name is Florin Mureșan. I'm the author of this book, Transylvanian Cookbook, 100 Recipes from My Childhood in Transylvania. I will leave it here. You can find it on Amazon Kindle. And today I'm gonna show you a very easy recipe, utterly delicious. It's about a recipe between the border of Transylvania and Bucovina, which is part of Moldova.
How is it called?
It's called Alivenci.
What does it mean, Alivenci?
Have no clue. Anyway, these are the ingredients. So we have 1 cup of corn flour or maize, 500 grams of yogurt.
Any kind of yogurt? Greek yogurt, for instance? Or?
Any kind of yogurt. 5 spoons of sugar, 2 eggs, 100 milliliters of vegetable oil, and 1 spoon of baking powder. So here we are. We have to mix all these things together. So we will add the corn flour.
You have to do it with the corn flour, or there is a substitute for it?
This one is the best because it's a very poor and traditional recipe. So we have 2 eggs.
Who gave you this recipe? Where do you have it from?
From the mother of my very dear friend from my childhood. She's Saxon, but first of all, this recipe is known as a Moldovan.
So you basically put everything together in one bowl.
Yes.
That's what you do. Okay.
So this recipe consists of 2 parts. One is this sort of dough, which is similar with, let's say, cornbread or something. And we will have another part, a white sauce we will add after this on top.
Do you need to mix this in a mixer, or you can do it by hand? No. Like this?
I use this whisk bowl. Okay, so here we are. You can see the consistency. It's a creamy dough.
Smells very good already.
Okay. And of course, we need a tray like this one with a baking paper. And we need to add all in an even layer.
So you basically pour all the mixture in this tray.
Yeah.
Nothing else. Very quickly. It's very quick.
It's quickly and easy. Everybody can do it, and it's delicious.
So what now? What do you do now?
Oh, okay. Okay. So as I said before, this is the part 1. The second one, the glaze, consists of 1 cup of sour cream and 1 egg. Gonna mix both of them.
Oh.
We have to make an even layer. And now we will play like Jackson Pollock with our glaze. We put it over like so. It's a very relaxing stuff to do.
You can even ask a kid to do it, right?
Of course.
It's very funny.
All this stuff we have to put it in the oven at 180 degrees for 35-40 minutes. As it's quite late, by the time it will be ready, probably it will be also evening here.
Perfect for dinner, dessert.
Yeah. 3 and 4 ingredients.
3 and 4.
The key of every masterpiece. Okay, thank you. See you later. Sugar over.
Ah, this is like my mom used to do all the time.
Exactly.
On the cakes.
So this is not a very sweet dessert, but and that's why with a little bit of sugar over, the balance is perfect. This is our Alivenci. Okay. So here we are. Alivenci.
Moist, yellow, sweet. Very nice.